That's right, we're making a snowball game. The weekly game jam, week 228. A game jam where you have to create a game on a given theme. And this time, the theme was Snowball. So let's start by creating an eye style using a sprite and a cute little character. In Unity, let's create 3 ice walls. And let's add a Capsule Collider 2D to the player, just because why not? The theme is Snowball, right? So let's create one. Oh, and it literally took me 12 seconds to do so. It's time to create a basic movement system for the player. And this is what it looks like. He's so cute. I love it. Okay, you can now throw snowballs towards the mouse cursor. Okay, the physics engine seems to be working quite well. It's quite funny actually. It's still not lagging. That's quite impressive. Let's add some post-processing effects to add more juice to it. Sometimes less is more. As you can see here, I removed some details and it looks so much better. What the hell is this? It looks sick, but I can't keep this in my game. Okay, post-processing effects are now done. Now snowballs have different sizes to increase the randomness of the game. Okay, it's time to make the camera follow the player because you can literally leave the screen. Perfect, the camera is now following the player, only if it goes upwards. Let's add some particle systems using Unity's particle system. What a peaceful environment. Let's add even more. Okay, now we're talking. Hell yeah. Don't you think our little player needs a friend? Or even better, an enemy. Okay, so I lost a tiny bit of footage here. Good thing is, the enemies are working. And as you can see, I have the weirdest bug happening in the center of the screen. Let's export the game real quick to see if it's happening. And nothing. The glitch is gone. Too bad, it was beautiful. Also, I followed a really good tutorial on how to have a pixelated effect. The link is in the description. Okay, maybe I went a tiny bit too far. Meh. How about this? It's definitely readable. I mean, come on. Oh look, we can actually start to see a UI. It's something. And then something crazy happened. This was absolutely not planned at all. But I don't know. I thought it looked so cool that I decided to keep it. Also that happened. I swear to God, this day was cursed. Wow. Let's see if I can hide this annoying no cameras rendering message. Here's how to do it if you guys are interested. Okay, the game looks dope now. What's the next step? I then added an all-screen effect to add a retro vibe. Why am I still here? Just to suffer. Okay, bad news. The mouse target position is not working anymore since I added the pixelated effect. I need to fix this. Again, this was not intentional, but I kept it in the game. I'm not showing the fix because it's really bad. No. And it works like a charm. I made every snowball disappear after 10 seconds, gradually. Also, a new enemy spawns every 20 seconds, which leads to this madness. Some enemies might be stuck, but that's a price I'm willing to pay. Oh, and I also added a tiny trail renderer to the players and enemies, just because. Time to add some sounds using BFXR. And this is what it sounds like in the game. Okay, you can now die by touching the floor. This is why I created some starting snowballs. Let's improve the game over screen. It's time to create some music using FL Studio. This was the first music I created. I then tried this one. Also tried this one. But this is the one I finally picked. And the final thing was to add a tiny tutorial. And we were done. Time to export the game to itch.io. And here is the game. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like. And if you want to see more game dev videos, feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.